Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Eboni Harris and I'm a relationship therapist based in Houston, Texas. So today is another vlog day. It is actually Wednesday, May 25th. It is 11 o'clock. I have been working this morning. I had clients already, and I actually had a client right now, but we had to reschedule. So I get to do some not actual work, sorry. Seeing my clients is real work. But I'll be able to get my website, my video up for today. So today is Wednesday, and Wednesdays I post my main videos, and then what's looking like Saturdays is when I post my vlog. Again, I do like more of a day in the life. I was thinking about doing a full week, but I just feel like that's gonna be so much. But maybe not, because again, this week has been extremely busy. Yesterday I had clients, I think my 10 canceled, but I had it basically from 11 to 7. I was seeing clients, and today will be a similar day, except I had this little break, which I'm excited about. I'm going to try to get my video edited because I did not get a chance to do it yesterday. And then Monday, I was working on my podcast, which is up today. I need to update that with the picture and all that stuff. So I'm going to do that right now, and then edit the video. I have like 2 more videos from that first vlog I did, because I thought I was going to come on here and chat a couple minutes here and there. And the reality is it ends up being, I talk for like 15-20 minutes. That just to me is not conducive for a vlog. So then I'm just going to end up cutting that stuff out. So I do, while I do feel like there are certain topics that maybe I can come on and talk for a couple minutes, apparently income streams, apparently relationship experts, that type of stuff isn't it. So I have like 2 more videos just from that day alone that I will be putting up over the next couple weeks, and then I'll start back recording videos. I'm also trying to make sure that I actually start recording now so I can have some in the bank, so I'm not every week trying to think of a new topic. Even though I have a list of like 30 topics that I want to talk about, I do like the idea of just go ahead and having like 2 or 3 videos done where I can just go in and edit real quick and then post it. I'm also trying to get better at, so currently I edit 3 videos a week if I continue with the vlog. So I have Between Sessions podcast, which is my podcast for my other business. It's a video podcast, so I always have to edit the video and then get the audio from that and do the podcast, and then put it on YouTube with the video, and then put it on our website at the same time. So that's one. Then my regular video, I have to record and edit, and then I have my vlog that I've started doing. The vlog actually has been a lot of fun, and it's pretty easy. It takes some time, but it's pretty simple. So I think I might keep up with the vlog. And like I said in the first one, it does allow me to be able to, one, if I feel like I work better when I feel like somebody's watching me, I get a lot more done. But 2, I feel like it shows both sides, right? It shows like today is a work day, so it may not be as long as some of the previous ones, but I do enjoy being able to show most of my days. So I'm about to get to working. Okay, so I am, it cut me off. I had to talk really fast because I only had a few minutes of space left, so I had to delete some stuff off the camera. But I am going to screen record actually as I do this, just because I feel like, again, I do a lot of work on computers. And so I wanted to screen record, and so I'm going to have, I don't know, my video somewhere on my screen. So, all I'm doing right now is updating the image. I don't believe, actually, let me go and check out if, I don't believe I have the description yet. So we all do different parts of the podcast, which is extremely helpful. So yeah, she hasn't sent. Sorry, you're seeing all of my business. Yeah, so that's for last week. So right now I'm just going in and updating at least the picture, and then once I get the description, I'll go and update that. So the podcast comes out on Wednesdays, and so I try to get it done because I know I have so many things to do, where I try to get it done at least by Sunday. Monday at the latest. And so after I'm done with uploading all the kind of stuff, then go in, add the picture. I'll add the rest of the description later. I also need to add a link. Just thought about this. She has a program coming out, and so I need to add that.
Max, this shit crazy. Sometimes
get a good feeling, yeah. Never have it, oh no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Never have it, oh no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Never have it, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
I'm done with that. Now I'm going to start editing my podcast. What I keep saying podcast? I haven't had a podcast in like 3 years. I'm going to start editing my video for this week. And so I have around 30 minutes to see if I can get that done. I might not be able to get it done in 30 minutes, but at least I'm going to start it. And then from there, I will upload it, do all the things, post it on social media. And well, I haven't been doing a good job posting on social media. I think that's my June goal. So I've been consistent with posting the videos. June, start posting every time I post a video. I might end up paying this company to create like little templates for me so I can just post on social media as well. So so that's what the plan is as of now. But all right, I will check back in. I might do like a quick video of me editing or something, but I might have to check back in after my next client, which is when I'll get to finish and upload my video and work more on my workbook that I just been, the free time I get goes to my workbook because I need to get this course done. So that is what's going on right now. So talk to you soon. All right. I am back. It is now 1:39. What did I do? Oh, I uploaded the stuff for the podcast. You saw that I started editing my podcast and I had a client, so I saw my client and then I just finished editing that video. So that is now uploading. It's gonna take probably around, it's a short video, I think it's around 10 minutes, so it should take hopefully no more than 30 minutes to not upload, save. This is what takes the longest, so I end up just doing other stuff while it saves. So I should be doing my research on the keyword and all that. That might be what I end up doing. I'm gonna make a couple phone calls while I'm on break, just for a little bit, and then try to relax. I have a couple 3.5 more hours of work. 3.5 more hours. My couple sessions are 90 minutes, so that makes me have like half hour sometimes over. So I have that in about an hour, a little bit over an hour. So I'm gonna try to get a little work done, and I'm also gonna try to relax. I'd like to, when I have a full day, I don't want to like fill up every minute with work. That's just the reality. Like it's a lot, and it can burn me out if I do that. If I'm like, oh, I'm on a break, I have to work for the next 2-3 hours and then go back into session. Like, no. So I'm uploading this. I'm going to get my description and my the title, I don't know why my brain isn't working, my title together, so I can have that for when that's ready, make a couple phone calls, and then I'm probably going to spend like the last 30 minutes before I see my next clients just kind of relaxing a little bit, maybe watching some funny videos, something that kind of makes me be more present and not thinking about either the session I'm about to go into or the session I got out of earlier, because it has been, people are struggling. That's why they're in therapy. So it's been some heavier sessions. So I like to clear my mind. I like to not be, depending on the clients I see, sometimes I'm like, oh, what are we going to talk about? Like, or, oh, they had a hard time the last time we talked. So I might have a little bit of anxiety around that. So I do what I can to alleviate that, kind of relax myself so that I can go in and be the best version of myself. I think it is important. I'm pretty good. I've always been pretty good at compartmentalizing my therapy clients, meaning I see them in session, we do our work, I help them, I get them to where they need to go. After session, I let it go unless I'm like supposed to give them homework, which I typically try to do right afterwards because I will forget. Because when I am off work, as far as like clients, then they are put in that compartment until it's time for me to come back, which is why I try to have time in between my clients. I have a 10-minute buffer, but of course, can't always control for that, but I do have a 10-minute buffer between clients for that very reason, so that I can take a few minutes if I need to process anything, if I need to calm, or whatever I need to do for myself to get me ready for my next client, as well as if I need to send homework or if I need to do any like follow-up things, which I just thought about. I have some stuff I need to do for another client. So that is what that time period is for. 10 minutes isn't a lot, but a lot of times it's enough time for me to like jump up, go to the bathroom if I need to, refill my water, and if I need to send some homework or something like that, I can do that before jumping into my next session. So that is the plan for the next hour, a little bit over an hour. Hey, okay, so I just finished the session. I have a 30-minute break. I don't know why I'm doing this right now, but I have decided that this is going to be the time for me to cut this pineapple. I bought the pineapple. I looked up how long pineapples last. They don't last very long, so it might not even be good anymore. But I'm going to go ahead and cut it up because I really just wanted to see how my knives would do. So I'm going to cut it up and maybe I probably won't eat it because I only have, like I said, now I'm at 20 minutes before my next session. So, but I really, after I looked up how long pineapples last, I was like, oh goodness, it's probably unfortunately, it might be right. I don't know. So about to cut up this pineapple and then store it and then get into my last couple of sessions, and then I will be done with clients for the day, but I still have a couple things I need to do after that. So I'm going to try not to work past 9 o'clock today. I'll be done with my clients at 7, and then hopefully I won't be working too much longer past that. I'll do a few things. I have 2 things I really want to do, 3, and hopefully I can get that done quickly and then just be done with my day by 9. So let me get to cutting the pineapple.
Yeah.
Well, that was disappointing. I should have cut it the day I got it like I planned to do. So that'll go in the trash, and I need to make sure I take that out today. Yeah, so that was anticlimactic, but my knives are good, and I will buy another pineapple because I want to cut, and I need to buy watermelon. I've been wanting watermelon, as well as summer in Houston. Best time to have watermelon because it's hot outside. But yeah, that was disappointing, but good to know. My knives are good. They cut it very easily. Never bought a pineapple because I was worried. I used to always have like my knives were not so great. But anyways, all right. Well, I got about 15 minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw it away. It's quite anticlimactic and disappointing, but I'm going to throw it away. But I know now when I buy a pineapple, cut it immediately, store it, eat it within a week. And then I will, see the rest of my clients and get on with my day. So thanks for joining me in this fail. All right, good evening. We are at 8:30 tonight on the 25th, same day. I decided I am going to eat today. I was talking earlier, I don't know if it's gonna make the video, but I was talking earlier about fasting today. But after I cut that pineapple and it was brown, I realized I have other food in there that's perishable, and I do not want to waste any more money. I think the pineapple was like $5 or $6, but I don't want to waste any more money. So I decided I was going to eat a salad. And I remember I got this smoked salmon, and I bought some bread because I had some salmon burgers yesterday. And I was like, I want to see if I can recreate, and it's not going to be exactly like it, but there's a sandwich that I love from a restaurant here. The restaurant's called Local Food, and the sandwich is a smoked salmon bagel, I believe it's called. And while I don't have bagel, I have or just hamburger buns for HEB. But so it's a smoked salmon sandwich, and I was like, oh, I should try to recreate that. And again, it's not going to be anything like the original, but I decided I want to try to create a smoked salmon sandwich. So I'll be eating that with some a salad. And so that's going to be my dinner. So I figured you would want to watch me cook that. I've already started boiling some eggs just because there is eggs on the sandwich. They put it with the cream cheese sauce. So I'm going to put 1 egg chopped with some cream cheese and this dill sauce that comes with a big packet of smoked salmon. I have, for my birthday, I had like a charcuterie and it had this, but I didn't put the sauce on there. So I'm gonna add some of this sauce because I feel like it might have enough tartness and sweetness for the salmon. And it has dill in it. If not, I'm gonna taste it, and if I want to add, I might add some like whole capers in it in the like spread, the cream cheese spread I'm gonna make. And then I'm just gonna top that, put the smoked salmon, put that, some lettuce, and that'll be my sandwich, and I'm gonna have a side of a salad. So that is what I'm about to make. Something, it seems like it should be simple, but who knows? Whenever I cook, it seems like it's way more than it needs to be. I know I need to toast my bread. I need to cut it and toast it actually. So I'm gonna do that on my skillet that's already on the stove, and then put it together, and it should be pretty simple. So stick around if you want. Okay, so my camera cut off and it looks like it's not gonna do a long video, but just wanted to give a little bit of an update. This is the sandwich. I put a little bit of the sauce that was left on top and added a little bit of the dill sauce just because it looked dry, and then I made me a salad. So okay, I was getting ready to go lay down and I realized I did not close out this video. I have eaten, I put the dishes there started. I was able to kind of relax and watch a couple like podcasts and things like that. And so I am getting ready to go to bed. So that is my day. I hope that you enjoyed these. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, all the things. And I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you next time. That's all. Bye.